Hello guys, this is a quick video. Maybe you guys are having the same issue and I managed to work this one out. So if you are trying to install RHEL 10 on a few different environments, but especially, I was testing this out earlier, if you're trying to install RHEL 10 on a VMware machine, this can happen on physical machines too. This can happen in other situations, but especially people are occurring or running into this problem installing RHEL 10 on VMs, or especially on VMware, ESXi, and all of that good stuff. So if you get a black screen, a gray screen, we need to kick off the installation. Okay, just reboot the installation, halt here, and just highlight the first one, which is the install. Press the E for edit, and just after quiet, add this option, no mode set. If you are an old school guy, this is not the first time you see this. This is about hardware acceleration and blah, 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 blah. So just do this, press Ctrl X to do a boot with these changes. And now it just should boot on to as normal. So people are running into this issue. That is when you try to install RHEL 10, and I think the beta versions did not have this issue. The latest one, the general availability or whatever they call it, are having this issue. So the latest images of RHEL 10 are having this issue. And if you have a black screen or a gray screen or nothing at all, when you try to kick off the start installation as normal, you boot the ISO or put the DVD and boot, and you get a gray screen where you should be able to choose your keyboard layout like you're going to see here. So you will see this, now you'll see you see this as normal. See, if the screen stays gray, just do the procedure like I showed you, pull the video back, no mode set, and from there on, the installation should just carry on as normal. And this bug, pseudo bug, or whatever we want to call this, feature, bug, glitch, whatever, should be fixed in the final releases. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.